Welcome back to Hobie's Nature Club.
Hobie, do you know what we're going to do today?
No.
We're going to go on a nature walk and we are going to find a stick and we're going to make a nature journey stick.
Like a weapon?
Well, no, not like a weapon, but it can be a wand if you like. Okay, so does that sound like fun?
Yeah.
Should we go and do it then?
Okay.
Come on, let's go.
Okay. There's a ladybird on there. How will we get it off? It might sting itself. We just try and find a stick. Oh, there's a perfect one.
Oh yeah, there's loads down here.
Yeah.
You get one and I'll get one.
Okay.
I'm going to choose this one. Oh, mine's got, hopefully it's not poo-poo on it. No, it's all right.
Nah.
We've got 2 sticks that we're going to do our activity with today.
What are we going to do now, Mummy?
Do you know what time it is?
No.
It's picnic time!
Picnic?
Picnic!
Picnic?
Picnic! So our activity today, we're going to go on a nature walk. And what we're going to do, Hobie, is we found our sticks and we're going to make our stitch a nature walk stick. So when we go around and see things that we like, we're going to pick them up and tie them on to our stick.
Yeah.
But we're all going to have our own, so we're going to whittle our sticks first. You don't have to whittle them, but we're going to whittle them and then maybe colour them in a bit, aren't we? And make them our own, maybe write our names on them. Okay, so can you show everybody how you whittle your stick? So Hobie uses a potato peeler for his, but away from his leg. Well done. That's really good, Hobie.
I made this like a wand. Sharp, spiky wand. And now I'm going to draw on it.
So we finished our sticks, decorating them anyway. So now what we're going to do, Hobie, is we're going to go on a walk, a nature walk, and when you see something you like, you're going to tie it onto your nature walk stick as a memory. Now we're not going to pick things unless they're like growing in lots and lots. We might pick one, like a dandelion that's a weed, but our bumblebees and our butterflies love growing flowers. So we're not going to pick anything, are we? But if we see them lying on the floor or something like that, we can pick them up. Come on then, let's go on our adventure walk.
Okay.
There we go,
That bit was
beautiful. So,
That
come
bit was
here.
holding on to me.
Come here.
So,
Hold that on there. Hold it on your stick. Where do you want it? That's all you have to do, Hope. You can do this. I'll show you the first one. Just weave it round.
that's fallen off.
What is that, Hobie?
Blueberry.
Beautiful.
Can we put one of these on our stick?
Yeah, you can put a hazel leaf on here. Right, so let's try and find one that's fallen off. Is there any fallen off? Not really, is there? Too summery, really.
This one?
Yeah, you found the feather on the floor.
Yeah.
Well done. Your stick's looking amazing.
Want tips like
That's
around.
on your name. You sure you want it on your name?
No, around here.
Okay.
I got a stick.
That's a tiny stick. You're going to put that on it?
Yeah.
We had it on one of these bits.
Say really good because it helps you if you've been stung by a stinger nettle.
What's it called?
A dock leaf.
Well done. Should we put him on our stick?
Okay.
Look at our beautiful journey stick now. Running out of room, aren't we? We've found so many cool things.
All the things what we done on my stick.
Yeah, we found some really beautiful things of nature, didn't we?
Yeah. You should have a go with your mummy and daddy.
Yeah, it's a really easy, fun activity to do, isn't it, Hobie?
Yeah.
When you're on a walk with your mummy and daddy, just to find some nice things around you and make your own wand or magic stick, whatever you want to call it. So we hope you have fun doing your nature journey stick and
Have fun in nature. Learn to nurture. Bye.
bye!
Remember to like our videos.
And please remember to hit the subscribe button if you want to see more of Hobie's Nature Club videos.